I'm going to tell you about the musculocutaneous nerve. Musculocutaneous nerve has a root value from C5 to C7. It is the branch of the lateral cord. So if we have to trace the musculocutaneous nerve, first we will see the median nerve. This is median nerve, which joins by forming the lateral root of median nerve and median root of median nerve. So this is the lateral root of median nerve, and this is the lateral cord. This lateral cord gives this branch, which is the musculocutaneous nerve. It gives the branch, this branch which pierces the coracobrachialis musculocutaneous nerve. It pierces the coracobrachialis and supplies coracobrachialis. Then it comes and lies between the bicep brachii muscle and brachialis muscle. It also supplies these two muscles. After supplying these two muscles, it continues at lateral cutaneous nerve. It supplies the lateral part of the lateral skin of the forearm, and it also goes to the tip of the thumb. The musculocutaneous nerve is formed by the root from C5 to C7. It supplies the coracobrachialis muscle. Coracobrachialis muscle originates from the coracoid process of the scapula, and it inserts in the posterior aspect of the humerus. It helps in the flexion of the shoulder joint. Then it also supplies the bicep brachii muscle. Bicep brachii muscle attaches. Bicep brachii muscle get inserted on the radial tuberosity, so it passes the elbow joint, and it hence helps in flexion of the elbow joint. The brachialis muscle originates from the lower part of the shaft of the humerus, and it continues to brachialis muscle inserts on the ulnar tuberosity. As it passes the elbow joint, it also helps in the flexion of the elbow joint.